Welcome to another episode of What I Learned from Bobby Hemmit. I will make this super simple, super short. Maybe it's oversimplified, but I want it to be super simple, and I will add further explanation as needed or not. So I'm just going to make 10 points. And this is a movie decoding of Superman. Number 1, Superman wears an S. S stands for the Sirius star. Number 2, Superman wears an S. S is the symbol for Kundalini energy or snake people. Also snake people. Number 3, Superman's name is Ka-El. El means God, and Ka means spirit. Number 4, Superman is sent to Earth in a star. This symbolizes a fallen angel, which you are. Number 5, Superman came from the stars. You come from the stars. Your soul is a star. Number 6, Superman has a crystal. You have a crystal in your pineal gland. Number 7, crypt means code. The Book of Thoth is an Egyptian code and is the source of ancient knowledge and prophecy, or it's one of many sources. Number 8, kryptonite is green. The Book of Thoth is green. The original name is the Emerald Tablets of Thoth. I will repeat that. The Emerald Tablets of Thoth. Number 9, Superman's dad, his name is Jor-El, or Hor-El, because there's no J. It's really Hor-El. El means angel, and maybe Hor is talking about Horus. Number 10, Superman lost his power to kryptonite. You lost your power to a lack of knowledge of self. And remember, crypt means code, and the Book of Thoth is the book of knowledge. So crypt is knowledge, ancient knowledge of the origin of the universe and yourself, and you are the universe. This is exactly why I didn't want to talk in like